I'm on my way there right now driving. So let's see how does this go. This is my first time washing my truck. I just got it, so let's see how this goes. I'm here now. I'm actually going through one of my cars. This is the truck. And then I'm going to go wash the Maserati, which my mom is actually doing right now. So she's behind me. Okay, YouTube, here go the truck. Just got finished getting washed. So now I'm about to clean it out. Car just got through getting washed. So now we're about to clean the inside of the car as well. So we're about to, let me give you guys my thought of washing both of the cars. My son and my mom did this one for me. Tell me how they did. This is the car. I want you guys to tell me how I did cleaning the Cadillac truck. I did it all by myself. I really enjoyed cleaning the truck for the first time. This is my first time since I got it. I cleaned it. Versus the Maserati, my mom and my son did it. So tell me who cleaned better. Then I'm going to tell you guys what I like. The difference in the Cadillac and Maserati. And I think I'm going for the Cadillac truck. I think Cadillac, the 2021s, are a little bit more luxurier than the Maserati Ghiblis. And this is how it look once it's cleaned. It's black on black. This is a 2021 Cadillac Escalade Sport Edition. Okay, I'm about to start the Maserati up so you guys can hear it. This one is, by it being a sport edition, it's pretty loud. The Cadillac truck is pretty quiet when you start. You can't hear anything in the Cadillac truck. Let's start the Maserati up for you. So this is how the Maserati sound. And it goes 160 miles per hour. Now I'm about to start the Cadillac truck up. You won't hear pretty much nothing. It's so quiet and drives so smooth. Oops. I just love the Cadillac truck versus the Maserati. I think I'm falling in love with just Cadillac now. It's just so quiet you can't even hear it's running. The Cadillac truck as well goes to 160. It do not pick up speed as fast as the Maserati. Maserati pick up speeds within seconds. It shoots off. And coverage package on the Cadillac truck. So if you guys are looking for luxury, my opinion is the Cadillac car or truck, especially like I said before, the 2021, because of the warranty and the coverage for like the tires. It only costs you $1,200 when you buy the Cadillac truck. For I'm sorry, let me say this right. Unlimited tire replacement. So every time you get a nail or flat or anything, if it's fixable or unfixable, it's unlimited coverage. It covers dents and dings and things like that. So if you guys are looking to purchase a vehicle, from my perspective and my opinion and my experience, it would be Cadillac all day long. I'm telling you guys, the bumper to bumper is better. Everything is better. And to me, I feel like Cadillac maintenance, I think, is a little bit cheaper than this Maserati. And I was told that the tires last longer than 6 months, because every 6 months you need tires for this Maserati. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.